everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my friends. We have Riddhi, we have Vinita, we have Ashish, we have Nishchay. And today we're gonna do the guys are gonna ask girls questions that they also wanted to ask, basically.
Yeah, looks nice. Yeah. First, madam.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the questions.
Question 1. What does I'm fine really mean?
I am fine. It
Not I am fine.
Yeah.
I'm fine. What is
अच्छा अब तुम क्वेश्चन ही कंटिन्यू करते रहोगे जवाब देना है हमको.
अब तो बैठ के देखते हैं ना.
I'm fine means I'm not fine.
Then why don't you just say it?
I'm fine because we expect you to keep asking. Yeah.
Why don't you just say what you mean?
This actually does not apply to me. अगर if I'm not fine, I don't say I'm fine. You
These
guys
two
can
monkeys only.
answer.
Yes.
They're Capricorns.
That is no way. That is not a valid explanation.
But सभी ऐसे हैं तो
No, इसलिए ये वीडियो.
We expect you to understand.
Do you guys read minds?
No.
Then why you assume we can?
It's तू अपना background music मत दे.
No. So see, you guys have इतनी problems कि first question से lead on होके second question है second.
Some people might expect you to understand automatically. Some girls just don't expect you to understand, so we just don't talk about it. And some girls talk about it, and and then you feel like we are always talking about ourselves.
Yeah.
So
So this sums up coming to one point that girls like attention.
You tell about yourself. You are your own girl. You tell what you want.
You are your own good question mark.
Why do you?
तूने भी तो पूरे मेल पॉपुलेशन के लिए आंसर दिया. मुझे भी देने दे.
I'm fine means for you.
I'm not.
Okay, and so you
I'm
just
fine
don't want to
is-
talk about it.
I'm fine is that version when my mood is literally like बस mood नहीं.
Shit.
बस बात नहीं करनी है.
I feel like there is a lot of games जो लोग खेलते हैं by not telling what they feel actually, and then they feel like the other person will automatically assume that okay ये ऐसा feel कर रही है, but technically ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. The first from both the sides. कोई अंतर्यामी नहीं है, किसी को नहीं मालूम कि तुम्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तुमको नहीं मालूम उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करनी चाहिए और सब रिलेशनशिप ऐसे होने चाहिए जिसमें आप सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर सको. बिकॉज मेरे दिल से ये बातें निकल रही है. दिल इधर है मेरा, बैठना.
क्योंकि आज तक कभी चाहिए नहीं था भाव. मैंने दिया ही कम तो मांगू क्यों?
मेरा पैर सो गया है.
उठना.
अटेंशन चाहिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
नहीं.
कैसे तुमको तो अटेंशन चाहिए ही नहीं.
बट हम बोलते हैं.
क्या खाना सुनना चाहता है?
सीधा बैठ.
Do you really find attractive guys cute and romantic, but when an ugly one is doing the same thing, is called creepy, or is just a running joke for you guys? Like, I mean,
So I think that personally I don't differentiate who am I gonna speak to based on how they look like. But as girls we just know कि कौन किसके प्योर इंटेंशन है किसके नहीं. तो अगर कोई बहुत अट्रैक्टिव इंसान भी अच्छा बोलता है, फिर भी अगर हमको अंदर से लगता है कि इसका प्योर इंटेंशन नहीं है, तो हम बात ही नहीं करेंगे.
So when is it creepy for you guys? When a good-looking guy?
No,
When is it creepy? When does it get creepy?
It is creepy when the person has confronted us और हमने उसको बोल दिया कि हमारी तरफ से कुछ नहीं है, we are not interested. फिर भी आता रहता है, फिर भी पीछे पड़ा है. That is when they are creepy.
मतलब
Yeah, I mean, because वो होता है ना कि oh my god this guy looks good, so he's giving me attention. Maybe he finds something, or like I feel, whoa, like he's even counting on me.
looks or personality?
Personality.
Personality.
Definitely personality. I don't give half a shit about the looks. For me, personality, and also if I am going for a relationship, I'm going it for forever terms. So for me, the family also is very important, and for me, their capability to do something in life is also like ambition. A combination of both.
Okay.
Is better.
For me, personality definitely. and one major thing: mentality and mindset.
Why do you go to bathroom together? All of you.
That is a very good question.
Yeah. So the way we look, you know, आजू बाजू जो the people who are close to us, उनके suggestions matter a lot.
And also, I feel I get very bored if I'm going alone in the bathroom. So after both of us pee and we come out and you're washing your hands and you're looking at yourself, I just like if someone is there.
One person is that जो toilet seat पे बैठा हुआ है, and the one person outside. From there also we will communicate.
Do you guys prefer materialistic or non-materialistic?
Better to ask that so that everybody has the.
चुप बैठना यार.
For me, non-materialistic. Materialistic में क्या होता है? तुम्हारे पास पैसे हैं, तुम कोई शॉप में गए, तुमने जो चाहिए उठा लिया और दे दिया. There's no effort that really goes into it. And I feel like in non-materialistic gifts, you're actually putting time and effort, and you're very much involved in the gift, which I like.
Well, for me, any kind of gift is fine.
We just want gifts.
Just gift matters. See.
So mix of both again, I would say.
Yeah.
What is a thing that guys do that really make you guys blush?
I think the simple things. Opening up a bottle of water if it's too tight to.
How much?
Things as small as that.
Oh.
Just
without you saying to open it.
And just genuine respect.
Are you uncomfortable if the guy earns more money than you in a marriage, or is it fine for you guys?
It's fine for me.
It's fine for me too. I mean, the money is coming in the house, so.
What would you prefer in your perfect scenario?
Would you want to earn more money, or like would you want the guy to earn more money?
It doesn't matter who is earning more money as long as we are living a comfortable life.
True.
Even if
Not the amount doesn't really matter as long as we're happy with it.
What feature of a male is most attractive to you guys?
well, if the person has that gym wala veins, that is highly attractive. And that you know,
Adam's apple. For me, it would be the eyes or the smile.
Yeah, I think the smile and the jawline
Oh, jawline.
and the height.
How they carry themselves, their posture, the way they walk.
Someone who is loyalty. I said this before. Someone who respects everyone, from the person who serves you food to the president of India.
By the way, who's president of India?
Narendra Modi. Loyalty, good sense of humor, respect, and just the vibe should be positive.
Sense of humor, loyalty, respect, sense of music.
Oh yeah.
Surely,
Music
yeah.
reading.
How will a guy know that you like him?
I mean, actually, I would let the person know.
I like you.
Yeah.
The blood. You?
Yeah.
I'll kind of play it such. मतलब जैसे chat करते हैं ना, so I'll be like, yeah, this one thing I like about you is this.
In twist and turns के साथ hints drop करके फिर वो समझ गए.
Well, these.
What is one thing that you guys really hate about a guy that pisses you off?
Basically a turn off.
Odor and most importantly someone who's very messy.
हर चीज में सफाई नहीं ऐसा.
For me, turn off is just people who just show off and try too hard to make an impression. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what you want to see next. If you want to see more videos with these people, if you like them.
What do you like?
Hello. Wait, what if they don't like you?
If they're watching this, that means they like me. That is it. I will see you next week with something super fun again. Till then, toodles!
Peace!